This video is about Fredrikstad and Halver, Norway. For more infotainment, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching. Attractive and charming Fredrikstad is the largest city in the southeastern region of Ostfold, Norway, and it is one of the best preserved fortified towns in Northern Europe. Here great mix of culture, history, and idyllic surroundings are in one place. Behind the 16th and 177th century defensive walls surrounding the historic old town, cobbled streets lead to many local markets, shops, and cafes. The city is seething with creativity, swung by the artists in Ostfold Art Center. If someone is interested in history, then visit the Fredrikstad Museum or stroll through the Renaissance garden on the small fortified island of Isegran. A short distance from Fredrikstad lies the HVALER archipelago and Ytre Hvaler National Park. Tourists can visit island hopping with the local ferry or explore the area in a kayak. This summer paradise is also perfect for fishing, diving, and lazy days in the sun. For more infotainment, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Please like and share as well. Thanks for watching.